to learn to crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn the moss stitch. The moss stitch is a very simple stitch that uses SC and chain. To begin the moss stitch, chain in multiples of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, to start the moss stitch, we're going to skip the first 3 chains and make a single crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I've made my first single crochet. Now chain 1 and skip 1. So skip 1 and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Now chain 1, skip 1 and make a single crochet in the next stitch. So keep repeating this all across. Chain 1, skip 1 and single crochet, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. And I'm making a single crochet into the very last chain. So here's row 1. Now to start row 2, we're going to chain 2 and turn. Now here is a single crochet, a chain 1, a single crochet and a chain 1. So we're going to skip the single crochet and work into the chain 1 space. So make a single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1 and skip the next single crochet and make an SC in the next space. So for row 2, we're going to chain 1 and single crochet in every chain 1 space. So chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1. Now we're at the end, so we're going to single crochet into the chain 3 space from the first 3 chains that we skipped in the beginning. So row 3 is exactly the same as row 2. So we will chain 2 and turn, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1. I've lost track of how many times I said chain 1. So chain 1 and single crochet in the chain 2 space at the end of the row. I'm going to make a couple more rows to show you how the pattern works up. So chain 2, turn, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, and keep doing that till you reach the end and single crochet into the chain 2 space in the end. I'll make 2 more rows and then stop. So this is how this stitch looks. Here's another one that I made earlier. So yes, you can see it's a very simple pattern that creates a beautiful texture. Both the sides look exactly the same. It kind of gives a knitted look, which is why a lot of people like this pattern. So keep practicing the stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. and I will see you in the next lesson with another simple stitch. Happy hooking!